Good morning, everybody. Today is what day is today? November 14th, 2024. And yesterday we had on ES we had an inside day. We couldn't take the highs, we couldn't take the lows. We're stuck in the middle of this range. This is the sixth day of balance, and we're opening inside value inside the range. So it's gonna be, it's one of the things that it could go either way. What the pull, the magnet is gonna be in the middle of this range, right? You have the 20-day point of control here at 60.24, and you have the 5-day point of control here at 60.15. And so those two levels are going to be magnets for the time being. If we get lower, there's going to be a pull to come back here. If we get higher, there's going to be a pull to come back here. So the PPI that was just released barely moved anything. We did have a little down move, but that's it. And I'm expecting a bounce back. Usually, the market likes to retest those areas where the news started the move from. I like to call them the scene of the crime. So we still haven't retested that. So I'm expecting a little bit of an up move to retest that spot where we started that drop. So basically what I'm going to be looking at is you have yesterday has had a little bit of a lack of excess to the upside, so probably looking for that to get repaired, and looking for value, right, for yesterday's value. So if we get below yesterday's value low, take that break to test this lows. If we take that yesterday's value area high, then look for taking that break to test this highs and repair the bullish imbalance, the lack of excess from yesterday. Other than that, look at the edges to fade the extremes for moves back to the point of control. So that's pretty much it for ES and NQ are very similar in that sense right now. Same thing, crude, we're in balance, not imbalance, in balance. So we're balanced. This is a 1, 2, 3, the fourth session of this balance area. Yesterday we tested the low side of the range. We have one of our members point to the lows of this range. I personally didn't take that trade, but if you did, congratulations, it worked really nice. Tested this low, came back to the point of control and kept moving higher. Now we're testing the upper side of the range. So if we don't get to break through this 69.80 area, the move should come down back into 68.80 and 68.15, which is the 20-day point of control. Oops, what did I do? And gold, I had mentioned that if we keep the down move, that we're gonna come back to test this 90-day point of control. If you look at the video from yesterday, and almost to the tick, we bounce here, and now let's see if this downtrend continues or this is it, and then we start moving up again. But it looks like we did have a little bit of a bounce overnight, and now we are accepting a little higher. Let's see what happens if we start moving back up through the overnight range and then close this RTH gap at 585. Then I'm gonna be looking for a move back above the 2600. Let's see, what else do we have today? We have crude oil inventories at 11, and we have some bill auction at 11:30, 4-week bill auction, and then we have Fed speaking at Powell speaking and Williams in the afternoon. Like at Powell speaking at 3 p.m. So keep an eye on that. And right now also we have more Fed speaking as right now at 9 a.m. and at 10 a.m. So keep an eye on those because those always move the markets. And that's about it for today. No, I would wait a little bit until things until the bell open. Give it a good 15 minutes to decide in which direction this wants to go. And then tomorrow we have retail sales and U.S. industrial production. But that's about it. And we have options expiration tomorrow, so we can have some volatility due to that also. All right, have a good day, good luck, and I'll be around here.